ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकम् 85 श्लोक 3। अशेषदयितायुते त्वयि समागते धर्मजो विजित्य सहजैः महीं भवदपाङ्ग संवर्धितैः श्रियं निरुपमां वहन्नः भक्तदासायितं भवन्तमयि मागधे प्रहितवान् स भीमार्जुनम्। Word by word meaning. Bhavada Pangasamvardhitaihi, who had grown greatly in strength by thy gracious glance, Sahajaihi, with his brothers, Mahim, Vijitya, conquering the earth, Ahaha, oh, Nirupamam, Shriyam, incomparable wealth, Vahan, who held, Dharmajaha, Dharmaputra, Tvayi, when thou, Ashesha Daitayute, along with all thy wives, Samagate, hadst reached Indraprastha. Ayi, O Lord, Bhakta Dasayitam Bhavantam, thee who art the servant of thy devotees, Sabhimarjunam, along with Bhima and Arjuna, Magade, to Jarasandha, Prahitavan, sent. Full meaning, O Lord, when thou didst reach Indraprastha along with all thy wives, Yudhishthira, who had acquired incomparable wealth by conquering the whole earth with the help of his brothers, who had become very strong because of thy gracious glance, sent thee, who art the servant of thy devotees, to Jarasandha along with Bhima and Arjuna. Om Tat Sat.